Looking for a magnetic wristband that saves time without costing much? We've ranked 7 great value options with updated links in the description. At number 7, we have the GrenPro Magnetic Wristband, a simple but surprisingly useful option for anyone who wants to keep small metal parts within easy reach while working. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, handling DIY projects, or doing repairs around the house, it helps eliminate those constant trips to grab dropped screws or drill bits. The adjustable design fits comfortably on most wrists, while the built-in magnets provide enough holding power for everyday tasks. It even comes with a small magnetic pickup tool and flashlight, adding extra convenience without increasing the price too much. It may not be designed for heavy industrial work, but for casual users and weekend projects, it delivers excellent value, which is why it comfortably earns the 7th spot on our list. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Coming in at number 6 is the UUP Magnetic Wristband. A great choice if you want something a little more versatile without spending much more. Besides keeping screws, nails, drill bits, and small sockets securely attached to your wrist, it also includes a handy pencil holder and a compact LED light, making it especially useful when you're working in dim spaces like attics, garages, or under sinks. The lightweight design stays comfortable during longer jobs, and the adjustable strap provides a secure fit for most users. It's a practical companion for home improvement, woodworking, automotive repairs, or everyday maintenance, while the flashlight is intended for quick task lighting rather than replacing a dedicated work light. The extra convenience it offers makes this wristband a smart upgrade and an easy pick for the 6th position in this ranking. Halfway through the ranking at number 5, we have the Torxum Magnetic Wristband, a solid pick for people who prefer a straightforward design focused on getting the job done. Instead of adding unnecessary extras, this model concentrates on strong embedded magnets and multiple storage sections that keep screws, nails, drill bits, nuts, and small hand tools right where you need them. That means less bending down, fewer interruptions, and a smoother workflow whether you're building shelves, installing drywall, or tackling weekend DIY projects. The durable fabric feels built to handle regular use, while the adjustable strap keeps it secure without becoming uncomfortable over time. It doesn't include features like a flashlight or accessories, but if your priority is reliability, comfort, and dependable magnetic holding power at an affordable price, this is an excellent option that easily deserves the 5th spot on our list. Taking the 4th spot is the MagSnap Magnetic Wristband from Rapid Storage, a model that stands out thanks to its clean design, comfortable fit, and dependable everyday performance. It's ideal for homeowners, electricians, installers, or anyone who regularly works with small metal hardware and wants to avoid constantly reaching into a toolbox or pocket. The powerful magnets securely hold screws, nuts, drill bits, and washers, keeping everything close at hand, so you can stay focused on the task instead of searching for missing pieces. Its lightweight construction makes it comfortable enough to wear throughout longer projects without feeling bulky or restrictive. It doesn't try to pack in extra gadgets, but that's actually part of its appeal. If you're after a well-made magnetic wristband that simply works every time, this one offers an excellent balance of comfort, quality, and practicality, making it a very deserving number 4. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Breaking into the top 3 is the Klein Tools Magnetic Wristband, a premium option built for people who use their tools on a regular basis and expect equipment that can keep up. Instead of focusing on flashy extras, this wristband delivers a breathable mesh construction, a slim profile, and strong magnets that securely hold screws, wire connectors, drill bits, and other small metal parts while you work. The lightweight design stays comfortable even during long shifts, making it a great fit for electricians, HVAC technicians, contractors, and serious DIYers. Its durable materials are designed to withstand demanding job sites, giving you confidence that it will last well beyond occasional home projects. It does cost a little more than some budget alternatives, but the improved comfort, build quality, and long-term reliability easily justify its place at number 3 in this ranking. Just missing out on the top spot is the Binya Tools Magnetic Wristband, and it's easy to see why this has become such a popular choice among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It combines a comfortable ergonomic fit with multiple strong magnets that securely hold screws, nails, drill bits, sockets, and other small hardware exactly where you need it. One feature that really stands out is the integrated elastic loops, which give you a convenient place to carry pencils, markers, or slim hand tools without filling your pockets. Whether you're installing cabinets, repairing a vehicle, working on electrical projects, or simply handling jobs around the house, it helps you stay organized and work more efficiently. It's lightweight enough to wear for hours, yet durable enough for regular use. With its smart design, excellent versatility, and impressive value for the price, this wristband earns a well-deserved second place in our ranking. Taking the #1 spot is the rack magnetic wristband, and for most people, it's the one that offers the best overall combination of performance, comfort, and long-term value. Equipped with 10 powerful magnets distributed across the wristband, it keeps screws, nails, drill bits, washers, and small sockets securely in place, helping you work faster while reducing interruptions and misplaced hardware. The lightweight ballistic nylon construction feels durable without becoming bulky, and the breathable design makes it comfortable enough for extended use on demanding projects. Whether you're a professional contractor, an electrician, a mechanic, or simply enjoy tackling DIY jobs on weekends, this wristband quickly becomes one of those tools you wonder how you ever worked without. It isn't the cheapest option available, but its proven reliability, high-quality construction, and consistently excellent performance make it the strongest all-around choice and our clear winner for this year's ranking.